Hey, you guys. If you're like me, I like to test a lot of the Microsoft products or when I do a lot of testing. So if I'm doing a big migration for a client, I'm definitely going to set up a new instance environment that kind of matches theirs if it's a big environment. And I would just set up servers just like how I would on their network. So we ran into an issue where a project kept getting delayed. And with Microsoft RDS, the remote desktop service, only gives you 120 days of a grace period with the licensing. As soon as that licensing ends, it basically means you can't RDP into that server anymore. Not more than one time, but at all. So if you're running a virtual machine, now you have to go in VMware, ESXi, or whatever hypervisor you're using, and you're gonna have to, get to the virtual terminal to actually get into the server to, actually configure it. So, that's been a huge headache for us. So we found out a way to remove this, I guess you can call it time bomb, out of the registry, so then you can continue doing your testing and development or whatever you're doing. Like I said, this is not for production at all, and I would never do this on production because you do need to make sure you have your licensing all up to par. This is just, like I said, I just want to get that out forward. This is strictly for development environment, not for production environments. So just keep that in mind while you're watching this video. So if you're doing what I'm doing and you're getting this pop up here that you can see, um, that's popping up and letting you know, hey, I only have 16 days before your grace period ends, and then you're not going to basically be able to remote in, not even one time or multiple RDP sessions. You just won't be able to log in at all to the server via RDP. So you need to make sure you have something in place to avoid something like that. Now, if you're not getting the pop up and you don't know about your licensing, then you just need to go into your remote desktop service overview and just make sure your licensing is there. Make sure you go into the RDP licensing diagnostics and make sure it's not any red flags are in there. To completely know if you're okay, I actually found this command that you can run if you don't open up CMD and you can paste this command in, which will be in the video description notes, and you hit enter. This is telling me I have 16 days left. And if you notice that screenshot that I just screenshotted, I just did that today, so that's why it says 16 days. So with that screenshot, I definitely need to do something about it. So let's go ahead and open up Run and go into Registry Editor. So we hit yes. There's multiple ways to get to registry. You can just go into search, type in regedit. I mean, there's tons of different ways, but I just like doing run, typing it in, and go. So I'm gonna go ahead and expand this. So first thing you want to go to is HKey local machine. Then you're gonna want to go to System, CurrentControlSet, Control, and then we're gonna go down to Terminal Server. Expand that. Then you're going to find something that's called RCM. Then go to Grace Period. And you can see once we go into Grace Period key, we have a value in here that says time bomb. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to right click on this and delete. Now it's always good practice to back up your registry before you make any changes to it in case it corrupts something or it causes a big issue, but this is just a time bomb, so you should be pretty safe. But like I said, just to do backups in case this server is already, we already did a snapshot of it in VMware, so we're okay. So we're going to go ahead and delete this registry key, hit yes. We're going to close out. Now our next step is to go ahead and restart the server. And once we restart the server, it's going to reset that grace period from that 16 day that we just saw to 120 days. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot the server, and then I'll continue when we come back. Alright, you guys, we have rebooted the server. We're going to go ahead and open up the command prompt here, and we're going to paste in that command and see what our grace period is at now. And you can see our grace period has been reset to the 119 day mark, so you're all set. Hope this was helpful for you guys. And you can see the pop-up just came up saying 119 days, so it did work. So you now have a couple more months to get your testing done, And then hopefully you can assign the key if you got everything correct. If not, then you gotta reinstall. But you guys should be all set. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Thanks.